Hello class, my name is the Operating 3 and I'm going to be going over my research presentation covering childhood obesity. Children who eat unhealthy and don't engage in activities have a high chance of childhood obesity. Facts about childhood obesity. I did a little bit of the historical research of not nationally for children in obesity, and I came up with 3 facts. The prevalence of obesity was 18.5% and affected about 13.7 million children and adolescents. Obesity statistically significantly decreased and among 2 to 4-year-old children who were enrolled in program WIC from 15.9% in 2010 to 14.5% in 2014. Obesity prevalence was 13.9% among 2 to 5-year-olds, 18.4% among 6 to 11-year-olds, and 20.6% among 12 to 19-year-olds. Childhood obesity is more common among certain populations. Why it is happening. There are many reasons why childhood obesity is continuing to happen in America. America is considered to be one of the most obese countries in the world. Here are some small facts of reasons why obesity is continuing to happen in America. There are many parents who lack the nutrition knowledge and ultimately contribute to child obesity. Infants are being fed high-fat and dense foods early on. The increase of technology takes away from outside playtime. I have 3 kids here who rather play on their tablets than go outside and enjoy the sunshine with their friends or play with their dogs outside in a yard because they are more concerned about their tablets. How this information can be used. With this research and information, we as a society can help prevent early on issues adults have, such as cardiovascular disease, insulin resistance, and some other cancers. Thank you guys for watching my video.